Let's look at the third position here where the moon is at 90 degrees angle with the line that connects the Earth to the sun. So in the experiment, you'll be holding the styrofoam ball that represents the moon at 90 degrees angle with the line that connects you to the source of light. In that case, you should be able to see this view here where the right half of the moon that is facing you is completely lit. Now let's look at the simulation. This phase is called the first quarter, where the moon is positioned here. And now let's see, when does the first quarter moon rise? When will it reach its highest point in the horizon, and when will it set? So let's go ahead and rotate the Earth. As you see, we reach sunrise and the moon is still below the horizon. We are approaching noon. The sun is up in the sky, as you see here in the horizon diagram, but the moon is still below the horizon. Now we reach noontime. As you see, at noontime, the sun has reached its maximum height in the sky, and the first quarter moon starts rising from east. This is the moon rising from east at noontime. It will continue rising. Now we are approaching sunset. The sun is setting in the west. The moon is getting close to the highest point in the sky. And now when we reach sunset, the sun is already set. The moon has reached its highest point in the sky. And then if we continue, we'll see the moon setting due west, and it will set completely at midnight. So basically, this is a special thing about the first quarter. You can see it during 50% of the daytime and also during 50% of the nighttime. As you see, it rises at noon and it will be visible from noontime till sunset. So that's the time you can see it during daytime, from noon till sunset, where at sunset it will be at its maximum height in the sky. Then after sunset, you still can see it if you look at the western horizon. And it will continue being visible until midnight, where it will set at midnight. After midnight, you cannot see the first quarter moon. And of course, the first quarter is different from the third quarter in the fact that it's lit on the right side. You'll see later that the third quarter is lit on the left side. And that's the case with all waxing phases. Waxing phases, the right side of the moon will be lit. When we go to the waning phases, you'll see that the left side is lit. Thank you.